Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online with a brand new method. This is a little known method that I'm pretty sure you've never seen before. It's super easy to get up and running, and it was created specially for brand new beginners online because you don't have to create your own website, your own products, or anything like that. Check this out. July 29th. 2024 at 8:35 a.m. $500 paid directly to me. July 31st, 2024 at 3:26 p.m. Another $500 paid directly to me. July 31st, 2024 again at 6:18 p.m. Another $500 paid directly to me, and July 31st, 2024 again at 9:23 p.m. Another $500 paid directly to me, and I can go on and on and on. You get the idea. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how myself and others are earning these $500 instant payments paid direct to our Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Stripe, or however you want to accept these payments. So I'm going to jump right in right now and show you exactly how to make money online using this brand new method. All right, I want to share with you a brand new method that's taking the work from home industry by storm. And this has nothing to do with multi-level marketing. It's not a scam or a cash gifting scheme. It's a proven state-of-the-art home-based business that allows anyone to receive $500 instant payments. And these payments will be paid directly to your Cash App, Venmo, a PayPal, Zelle, and more. And the best part, it's super easy to set up, and it only requires about 20 to 30 minutes of your time per day. And I truly believe it's hands down the best way to make money online for beginners in 2024. The company is called Infinite 500, and they provide everything you need to have success online when you become a member. You'll get beautiful capture pages designed to grab the attention of your prospects. You'll get a high converting explainer video and a sales page designed by the best designers in the work from home industry. And because the follow-up is so extremely important to your success, you'll also get a built-in email autoresponder with professionally written follow-up emails that go out automatically on your behalf to help you make these $500 payments. And here is something that sets this opportunity apart from all the others. The Infinite 500 system has their very own professional callback team. And these well-trained people handle all the inbound calls. When a prospect calls the 800 number from your sales page, a member of the callback team will answer their questions. They do all the selling and telling for you. And when a prospect says yes, you get paid. And the best part, this happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And all you have to do is bring prospects to your website to watch the very short explainer video and to view all the benefits of the system. Now, how are you going to get hungry prospects to take a look at your website? You're going to get turnkey, proven marketing solutions with zero learning curve for both online and offline. For example, you will get access to the company's Letter Shop Fulfillment Center. And here you can order postcards and flyers and have them mailed out to red-hot targeted prospects. Completely hands-free and done for you. They do everything. The company also has done-for-you solo ad providers, targeted traffic website providers, SMS text broadcasting providers, and more. And I have something very special for you when you join my Infinite 500 team. You're going to get 90 days of top tier 1 traffic for free on me. Now, more on that in just a second. So as you can see, with everything that I've just mentioned, you now have access to a true hands-off business in a box. And lastly, you're going to get up-to-date products that cover AI technology and wealth development. And these are designed to help your new business grow. And these are full video courses that will teach you a variety of subjects step by step. Now, I want to share with you 5 reasons why I think the Infinite 500 system is the best online business for beginners. Number one, there's no website to build. There's no learning curve, and the company provides you everything you need to make these $500 instant payments. There's no Zoom calls to attend, no webinars to remember, and no contacting anyone. Number two, you hardly have to spend any time on your business to be successful, no more than 20 or 30 minutes per day. Number three, you will never make or take any phone calls or sell anything to anyone. Number four, proven and time-tested marketing strategies designed to get hungry eyeballs to look at your business and take action. And number five, you will get access to their professional call center. This team will do all the explaining and selling and telling for you. They'll even walk your new members through the joining process so that way you don't have to, all right? You don't have to hold anyone's hand here. All right, let's wrap this video up. So right now, I want you to click the very first link in the description of this video and take a look at this amazing home-based business yourself. It's infinite500system.com. infinite500system.com. When you click on that link and opt into my capture page, you will be redirected to see all my team bonuses that I put in place to help you succeed with this business. And I put a lot of things in place to help you make even more money with this system, as you can see right here. In this page, we'll also explain my 90-day free top tier 1 traffic offer that I mentioned to you earlier. Then you can click any of the yellow buttons on this page to review the company's website and to join my team. And if you have any questions at all about the Infinite 500 system, leave them in the comment section below. I always respond. I also have my personal contact information below as well, and it's also on my Infinite 500 website. If you got some value out of this tutorial video, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and tick the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new review or training on my channel. And I invite you to check out my channel. I have all kinds of ways to make money online. I've been doing this for over 15 years now, while helping others do the same. I really look forward to help you make money online. I'm serious about what I do and serious about helping people who are ready to help themselves. This is Dan Froelke. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.